Hey guys, John here from Titan Medical Center. I want to let you guys all know about the new update that we did on the Titan Medical Center website. So we made it very easy, very simple for new patients like yourself to fill out patient paperwork online. So you don't have to print it out, fill it out, send it back. You can go right to the website and fill it out electronically, and it comes right to us. So I'm going to walk you through the steps to go and fill out your new patient paperwork on our website, TitanMedicalCenter.com. Check it out. So we're going to walk through this. The first thing you need to do is go to TitanMedicalCenter.com, right? The second thing you need to do is you need to go to the top tabs where it says New Patient Paperwork. At that point, you'll pick either male or female, and then you'll pick the paperwork that best suits you. At that point, you'll click on it so you can fill out the new patient paperwork. You'll go through it and fill it out electronically. At that point, it will come right to us and we can get you scheduled for your consultation with the doctor or physician. So at that point, we made it very simple and very easy for our new patients to fill out the new patient paperwork online. So please, if you have any questions or concerns after this, give us a call at 727-389-3220. We can schedule you nationwide.